Are you staring some expensive home repairs in the face? If so, keep watching to find out which major home repairs are the most costly, how to prepare for them, and how to afford them. Electrical rewiring. Are you having electrical issues? If you need extensive electrical rewiring done, this can be a pricey undertaking. However, it can also be an urgent one. Faulty wiring can cause electrical fires, shocks, etc. While minor repairs will usually only cost a couple $100, rewiring can run you in the vicinity of $2,000 to $6,000 for your home. Replacing plumbing pipes. Plumbing issues are some of the most common home renovation jobs. According to survey results, 29.94% of respondents reported having to make plumbing repairs within 1 year. Like electrical repairs, minor plumbing fixes are generally relatively cheap and should only cost you a few $100s. On the other hand, if you need to start replacing water pipes or sewage pipes, the cost could be in the thousands. One of the most expensive pipes to replace is your sewer line, usually costing around $2,000. Fixing hazard damage. Another set of major home repairs is fire, smoke, storm, water, and flood damage. Fixing any of these issues can be a big job, and sometimes you might need to tackle a few of them all at once. If your home has been hit by a storm, it may have experienced both storm and water or flood damage. On the other hand, if a fire broke out, then it can cause both fire and smoke damage. To give you an idea of the costs, water damage typically costs within a range of $1,000 to $5,000 to rectify. However, if your home has experienced flood damage, the overall costs can be higher. This is because flood damage could require an entire flooring installation, electrical work, and more. Fire and smoke damage costs can also vary widely, depending on the extent and severity of the damage. However, most homeowners can expect to pay $3,000 to $5,000 to repair the damages of a small fire. Damage from large fires can cost tens of thousands to fix. Covering home repairs. Firstly, it's always a good idea to take out a comprehensive homeowner's policy and create a renovation rainy day fund for your home. If something isn't covered under your policy, you'll be able to draw from this to cover the repair work. But what if you don't have these financial backstops in place, or they aren't adequate to cover the costs you're looking at? In this case, one avenue you can consider is taking out a personal loan. In some cases, you could also look at taking out a home equity loan. Unfortunately, a lot of major home repairs can get worse or create extra damage and expense if left too long. Securing financing for them can be a wise move and help prevent more damage. Besides this, you should also ensure that you vet out a good contractor to do the work. Hiring the wrong contractor can cost you thousands in additional unforeseen expenses. For instance, if you take on a contractor who isn't bonded, you'll be financially liable for any damage they incur on your property or to third parties. What's more, if their work is substandard, this can create more issues both in the present and down the line. If you're located in Brevard County, Florida, we're here to help. As a full-service Florida certified building general contractor, whether it's structural damage you're dealing with or cosmetic issues, we can handle it. We have an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau and a 5-star rating with Home Advisor. Contact us today for a free quote to discuss your home renovation needs. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.